Here is the video of our Apo Island turtle tour, do it yourself. I saw more turtles here in the first 30 minutes snorkeling than I have ever seen anywhere else in the world, including scuba diving in the Philippines, Mexico, Thailand, and Borneo. This is a natural turtle sanctuary, so the turtles will not be afraid of you. Doing it yourself is better than a package because you are not in a large group of people overwhelming the turtles. You control the timing of when you come and go from the island, and you decide how long to stay in the water if you're enjoying any given snorkel tour that you're having. All right, you don't need to write anything down. Our web page includes an interactive Google map for this tour and instructions so you can do it yourself. Now I will show you the video of us taking this tour. Enjoy. So this is Dan from Vagabond Awake. We are in the Philippines. Today we're going to go to Apo Island. And the place where you catch the ferry over to Apo Island, it's a small boat really, not a big ferry, but there's a market here you have to see. It's where the locals come to buy and sell fruits and vegetables and even livestock. Actually it's 2 decades ago now, the potbelly pigs are a big thing in the US, and I had a couple of them. But these are not people's pets. These are soon to appear on someone's table.
Pila ni Lord? 200. Kanang mul-mul Lord. Ano yung 60? Pila ni mo?
Rice.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. This is rice also. This called a puto. Plain rice white.
With coconut.
With coconut.
With
also.
coconut. What is that?
back from Akko, and 𝐸𝐵𝒄𝐄 is having a ceviche and a pork steak.
I have a line here for the
Ceviche, there's her pork steak, rice. Oh, they have your peppers too. They have your peppers. We don't know what it'll cost yet. How does it taste?
It's good. Ceviche is good. This one. It's like a Peruvian ceviche.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's like a Peruvian ceviche?
They don't put ginger inside. It's only the lime.
The restaurant's called Lola's. It's the last one, but Lola is the name of it. Would you recommend it, 𝐸𝐵𝒄𝐄?
Yeah.
Okay, it turned out to be $160. She went for seconds on the ceviche, and she had a pork steak and rice. So she had rice and 3 dishes for $160, which is about $3. So, and she would eat it again, she said, so that's our rule. If she likes it enough to eat it again, we tell you about it. Thanks for watching our video. You make all this travel possible just by watching. Even better if you click like or leave a comment, that'll really help us out. Thanks so much. Dan here, Vagabond Awake. Have you thought about dropping out of the rat race? Come check out our retire early and cheap reports at Vagabond Buddha. Thanks for watching this video.